Hello everyone. Now in this section we will discuss about BCD codes. BCD means binary coded decimal. The digits 0 to 9 are connected into binary bits, and we have up to 9 to 15 we have unused terms, digits. By BCD code we use 8421 code. Already we seen 8421 code in previous section, and more advantages 0 to 9 are perfectly binary coded decimals, and 10 to 15 are unused digits. This is one big disadvantage. 6 unused combinations are disadvantages of BCD codes. We have two types of BCD codes: BCD addition and BCD subtraction. In BCD addition also we will represent 0 to 9 digits, and the result appears greater than 9, so add plus 6. And in subtraction, result is greater than 9 means subtract minus 6. So these are BCD codes addition and BCD subtraction. Let us see what is BCD addition and BCD subtraction. Okay, let's see BCD addition. We have 0 to 9 digits. Adding means result greater than 9 means add plus 6. Let us see one example. 38 is added to 42. In normal we will add like this. This 38 is converted into binary. So 0011 1000, and this 42 also converted into binary, and so add this all 0 1 0 1 1 1 means here we have 1 1 1 0. Here we have this is 7 and this is 10, so it is greater than 9, so we added plus 6 value. This is 6 in binary, so we added plus 6 to this. So 0 here we appear, 1 1 means 0 and 1 carry, so carry here. Here also we have 0 1 1 0, here 1, this is carry, and here 1 plus 1, so 0 1 appear here, so 1 1 0 1 appear here. So like this 0 plus 1 1, so it is 8 in binary, 0, this is 0 in binary, so 80 is the result of 38 plus 42. We get normal also 80, here also 80. This is the BCD addition. Now we will see BCD subtraction. Subtraction, if result is greater than 9, so subtract minus 6 from given digits. So let us see 35 minus 18, we have normal subtraction, we will get 17. So convert this 35 into binary, and this 18 also to binary, and we will get 1 0 1. Here we have carry here 1, so 1 1 as 2, so we subtract means 1, and we have to take carry here, so 1 1 2 subtracts 1 1 we will get here 0 0 0 0. And then okay, let's see, this is greater than 9, so we have to subtract minus 6. Subtracting needs more calculation, so we have to convert it into complements. I already told in previous section, complements subtraction becomes addition, so we have to take 0 here 0, here plus 6, 0 plus 6, here normal binary 0 and 6 binary 0, so this is 1's complement of this, and we have to convert it into 2's complement. We will get here 1, this is 0 1, here all zeros are converted into 1, 1's are converted into 0, so add this to this result value, we will get 1 here, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 here, carry 1 here, and here we will get 3. 3 means we will represent in binary as 1 1. So here we keep 1 here, and here we have another one, so keep here 1. So 1 1 means 0 here, 1 here, and 2 0 here, 1 here. So this is, we are having this as 3, so it is carry of this. Sometimes we will not consider carry value, and sometimes we will consider carry value also. BCD subtraction we have to take complements. By using these complements we will get easy way in subtraction. Okay, suppose here we have 12 and subtract this from 7, so we will get here 5 0. But BCD addition and BCD subtraction, these are BCD codes. Two types, addition and subtraction. Okay, in next section we will discuss binary operations. Okay, thank you for watching this video.